Zoho Mail is an excellent email service for businesses and professionals looking for an email platform that is secure, reliable, and fast. In this video, we will be taking a look at a few Zoho Mail tips on how to use the features that help you organize your emails, respond to them, and collaborate with your team members effectively. First up, we've got Streams. This is a social media style interaction zone specifically meant for internal team collaboration. This allows participants to converse around the item in the context through comments and like indicators, making group interactions a lot more free-flowing, fast, and effective. Streams allow you to post private messages or individual messages, tasks, notes, bookmarks, or events from the home section. If you select a group from the drop-down, the content will be posted in the group stream. From here, you are able to collaborate and interact about a specific email. With Streams, email sharing facilitates easy collaboration around emails with your team members and your colleagues using comments instead of long email threads. When using this method, it allows you to manage your discussions without multiple forwards and replies. If you navigate to the bottom of your email, here you can tag the people or the group that you want to interact with, and then you can again interact through comments and get the job done a lot faster. Moving on to the Zoho Crm integration. Zoho Mail's integration with Zoho Crm helps you chat with your contacts directly from the Zoho Mail interface. This helps you stay connected with your colleagues without having to leave your mailbox. Access your Zoho Crm contacts, chats, and channels from the smart chat bar at the bottom left of your mailbox. This integration can be used when multiple parties need to instantly chat about a client or project to get a resolution faster. Instead of emailing back and forth, you can just chat right away about a specific email or topic via click. When it comes to the Zoho Meeting integration with Zoho Mail, this allows you to view, schedule, and initiate meetings from inside your mailbox. Zoho Meeting can be launched directly from Zoho Mail from the right pane. Click on the Zoho Meeting icon and select Start a Meeting to set up your meeting. This will allow you to communicate better with your team members, prospects, and customers through audio, video, and screen sharing. The Zoho CRM integration with Zoho Mail allows you to directly add a CRM contact or lead from your mailbox. Further, once you have created the record in the CRM, you can directly associate a task, event, or a note with the CRM contact or the lead. This integration is beneficial because you can centralize all your information, associate emails with leads, deals, and contacts, as well as share email correspondence with other users. Now that you know a bit more about Streams and the 3 Zoho application integrations with Zoho Mail, you can utilize these tips and functionalities to work more effectively and collaborate seamlessly with your colleagues. If you need help implementing your Zoho Mail application, contact DSL Telecom, a Zoho Premium partner. Send us an email to sales@dsltelecom.co.za. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comment box below what other Zoho application videos you'd like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any internet or software related content.